Hello, everyone. I'm here with Espen Lund, the WAKO Vice President and the Project Manager for the Game Changers. And we will talk about the Game Changers today. Espen, what is the Game Changers?
Well, it's a management program for young. It's hopefully our future leaders. It's simply our way of investment in the youth.
Amazing. And why is it so important for WAKO?
Well, it's all about success management, and we need to invest in future leaders. We need to try to engage them and involve them and make them also understand how complex it is to run and develop an international federation.
And who is a part of the Game Changer, and why is it these specific people?
Well, we announced this back in 2020. So we have got a lot of applications from all around the world. We asked the National Federation to apply to select their, let's say, youth or talent that they want to, let's say, develop. So we picked out 15 talented people from 15 different countries, from 3 continents.
Wow. So it's very diverse.
It is. And we also asked specifically women to apply as well on behalf of their national federation. And we had 60-40 men, women.
Wow, that's incredible. Yeah. And you meet with these people and you go through some modules, right?
Yeah, we have had, all in all, in the last 1.5 years, we have had 6 modules, 2 of them physically in meetings in Budapest and now last weekend in Lausanne. And the rest have been digital modules, and where we have tried to give them a variety of topics in order for them to get an insight in the complexity to develop a federation. So we have had all from sport management, anti-doping, ethical conduct, strategic thinking, accountability, leadership, team building, fair play, and so we have tried to give them a general insight in what we are working with.
Amazing. I will ask you about some of the specific modules. So you had one that was coaching an athlete.
Yeah, we had that now in the last meeting. So we try to give them an insight. I mean, they are athletes and they are also coaches, some of them. So we had the chairman of the athlete committee and the chairman of the coaching committee that gave them some specific information, how important it is with the relationship between coaches and the athletes, and to highlight this specific, let's say, issue.
Okay, and just for anyone listening, can you give us maybe 2 or 3 things that is important in this coach-athlete relationship?
Well, it's all about trying to, when we have had people from the IOC talk about also this relationship between coach and athlete, it's all about understand that it's a 365 days work, let's say, because you need to see the complete athlete, the complexity, where athletes try to combine the private life with the top sport program, and to try to understand the complexity it is to develop a good athlete, and also that the athlete develop a good coach. So it's a big topic.
I can hear that. Wow, that's so interesting. And then you had another module about Olympism and Olympic Charter. What was it about?
Well, it was more or less how important the Olympism and the Olympic movement is in, let's say, in the sports world, and how we can use the Olympism as a social inclusion. So we talked about how IOC worked on the, let's say, the Olympic movement in poor countries, for example, how to engage and to involve all peoples all around the world, also in conflict areas. So that's what we discussed concerning the Olympism.
Okay. And there were also members of the IOC there.
Not members of the IOC, but it was, people working inside the IOC that gave us some insight, both of the Olympism and also the Athlete 365 program.
Amazing. I could see in the report from the Game Changers that you were also discussing some challenges and problem statements and recommendations. And can you tell us something about these topics? So one of them was continental development of disciplines. What is it about? And
we gave them, in summary, we gave them difficult topics to discuss within 3 working groups. They have given us a lot of information that we will, try to summarize, and we will discuss that in the WAKO board and to see what kind of issues within these important topics that they discussed, how we can use them and implement them. And maybe we also use them, the game changers, to help us implement certain issues. For example, continental development, growth of female participation in the continents, how we can improve good governance, not only for WAKO, but also for the National Federation and the continental divisions, and of course, integrity. These are very important issues that IOC also have programs on, and so we have given them some insight in what we do, what IOC do, and we have asked them to give us insight in what their opinion is and how can we improve those important topics within WAKO. So now it's up to us to use, the reports we have got back from them and to implement them step by step.
Wow. Then I also see how important it is that it's such a diverse group, so that you can actually get feedback on each topic, right?
That's the thing. We want to understand how these specific tasks are, let's say, done within their own country or within their own continental division, because people, coming from different cultures, we think differently. So we understand differently. We need to understand, let's say, how they are thinking, and we need to respect the fact that we are living in several parts of the world that gives some complexity in, let's say, behavior.
And these people who are involved in the Game Changer group, what is the next step for them now? You finish the 6 modules, and what will happen from here?
Well, we hope that they can be engaged more, let's say, nationally. That's a good opportunity for the National Federation to use them as also future leaders. As already some of them are placed in different committees, we are going to use them step by step in different projects and also other committees, both national, continental, and also in our own international federation committees.
Amazing. Then you just answered my last question, if these people will have a future inside the WAKO organization, like on the international level. But there's definitely...
That is the main idea.
Yeah.
And we have got to know them now for 1.5 years. They are highly skilled. They raise their voice, they care, and they actually want to engage with WAKO. So, and when we start a new program, maybe next year, then we will have 15 more people from all around the world. So we hope that we can, start the wheel, to develop good people to assist us and to take over the organization in the future.
Wow, that's amazing. Really, really making sure that WAKO has a great future ahead. I'm so curious, because you mentioned that IOC members were there. Did they give you any feedback on this event?
Not the IOC members, only staff from the IOC.
Staff, sorry.
No, we have got a very good feedback from them. So, and we have, of course, sent a report at what we have done to the IOC as well. And they are happy of what we have been doing. And it is a kind of unique program, because I don't think it's many international federations have this, let's say, development program for young, let's say, future leaders. So I think we are doing something unique in a very, I would say, time efficient and cost effective way.
That's amazing. Do you have anything you would like to add now that we are at the end of the interview?
No, I don't. More than that, I'm happy to see the young people. I'm happy to see that they are satisfied, that they get the knowledge, and I hope we can use them going forward in our work.
Thank you so much, Espen.
Okay, thank you.